Welcome back to another tutorial of Linux administration, and in this one we are going to discuss about hard links and the soft link. What is hard link? Hard link creates an additional reference to a file on a file system, which means that the multiple file names can point to the same inode, or you are creating multiple duplicates of that file. First, I want to create a file here, maybe touch, using that command line, and the file name could be the original file.txt. So after that one, I'm going to add some data within that file. So original file, I'm trying to use here Kali Linux, which is easier to work on compared to the other Linux systems. So this is the test file. Control O, press enter, Control X. So nano is a command line that nano is a text editor that can help you to edit the document. After that one, if I need to create any hard link, so I will use the command line ln. If you want to see what are the options that are available with the ln, you can check through this way, -- help, and there are so many options that are available within it. So you have a ln-s, which is a symbolic link or shortcut. So next one, we are going to use here simple ln command, and next to it I need to type here original file and the hard link, the file name .txt, and let's see. So now it has created another file. If I go for the ls, so there are two files are available, and I want to see the inode of this file, ls li, and then original file, hard link of this file. Here you are. So when you look at the inode, both of the inodes are same. That means both are same files. If I want to see the data on the original file, so it is like this. If I want to see the data on hard link file, it is same. So that means both, there are two files. You can say that it's just a duplicate of that file. If I delete the previous file, so the another file will remain there. Next one. So you can delete the original file, and if I try to see the data on the second file, so in this way you can confirm that the another file is still exists. And if I try to use this command line, might not work because can't access the previous file, but this file is still exists with the same inode number. After that one, if you want to work with the soft link, what you need to do? So for suppose I created that file again, original file, and I'm going to add up some text within this one. So this is the test file. Control O, press enter, Control X to exit. After that one, if I need to create a symbolic link or soft link, we also call it, so I can type here ln-s, then the file name, original file, and after that one I can just write any name with this, so softlink.txt, and after that you have to press enter. And now when I look at ls-li, maybe with the same command line, and press enter, so original file that is available, just give me a second. So I can press here ls-l to check. So now there is a shortcut link that is available to the pointing towards the original file. And if you want to see ls-li with -li, after that one you will see that here. So this is the original file that I created later on, so that's why the inode name is changed compared to the previous one. And this is the another file that exists here, and this file is just a shortcut link to that file. And after that, if you want to delete the shortcut link and all the files within this one, you can press static.txt. It will delete all the files with the text.txt extension.